Today's video is an introduction to real estate, building wealth through property investment. Are you eager to learn about the real estate industry and how it can be a pathway to financial freedom? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will dive into the world of real estate investment, exploring its numerous benefits and providing you with the knowledge necessary to embark on your own wealth-building journey. Let's get started. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty of real estate investing, let's begin with an overview of the industry. Real estate encompasses various types of property, including residential homes, commercial buildings, and undeveloped land. It plays a critical role in the economy, serving as a cornerstone for many industries such as construction, finance, and interior design. The real estate market is influenced by factors such as supply and demand, interest rates, and government policies, making it a dynamic environment for investment opportunities. Investing in real estate offers a multitude of benefits that can greatly impact your financial well-being. Firstly, real estate is a tangible asset that offers security and stability. Unlike volatile stock markets, real estate values tend to appreciate steadily over time. Additionally, investing in rental properties allows you to generate passive income through rental payments from tenants. This recurring income stream can be a reliable source of cash flow and a potent means of building wealth. Furthermore, real estate investments provide you with the opportunity to diversify your portfolio, reducing risks associated with other investment options. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, real estate can be a solid foundation for long-term prosperity. Are you ready to embark on your real estate investment journey? Getting started may seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and preparation, you'll be well on your way. Begin by educating yourself about real estate investing through books, online resources, or attending seminars. Understand the various strategies, such as fix and flip, rental properties, or real estate investment trusts, REITs, and determine which approach aligns with your goals and resources. Once you've gained a solid understanding, it's time to conduct thorough market research and identify potential investment opportunities. Consulting with real estate professionals, such as agents or attorneys, can also provide valuable guidance throughout the process. Financing your real estate investment is a crucial step in the process. Various loan options are available, and it's essential to explore which one suits your financial situation and investment goals. Traditional mortgages, private lenders, or government-backed loans like FHA or VA loans are just a few examples of the financing avenues you can explore. Consider factors such as interest rates, down payments, and loan terms to make an informed decision. Collaborating with a mortgage broker or loan officer can help you navigate through the loan application process and choose the loan option that best fits your needs. One of the most compelling aspects of real estate investment is its ability to generate passive income. Rental properties allow you to earn regular cash flow through tenant rental payments, covering expenses like mortgage payments, maintenance costs, and property taxes. With proper management, your rental income can even surpass the expenses, creating positive cash flow. As you acquire more properties, your passive income grows, providing you with financial stability and the freedom to pursue other ventures. Real estate truly has the power to transform your finances and offer you long-term financial security. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help us educate more about how to make real money with real estate. Be sure to check out our next video, where we share 10 crucial tips you need to know before you buy your first home. Now, armed with the knowledge gained in this video, you can confidently take your first steps into the exciting world of real estate investing. Let us know in the comments what your favorite part of investing in real estate is. Remember, success in real estate comes with patience, perseverance, and continuous learning.